রঙ্গবতী টাইহার্ড ফ্যান, রিপিট মোডে রঙ্গবতী চলছে তবে গিয়ে কান্না বন্ধ। একবার রঙ্গবতী বন্ধ মানে কনস্ট্যান্ট ওখান থেকে কোলাঘাট থেকে, আর পিছনে পুরো শো চলছে। ওরই সোনাই আর তিনজনের মধ্যে কম্পিটিশন, কে আগে কান্না বন্ধ করাতে পারে।
So I will park my bike here and we'll have some tea, snacks. Let's see what they are waiting for me, my wife Sonali, and I am planning to feed my baby at the same time if it is possible. I will feed him also. So as usual, sudden get together because they were the fellow riders, but they have come before us, and since my baby is in the car of Chandrajit, I had to ride slow and I had to follow them. So I was following Chandrajit and I have reached Kolaghat at around 5:27. So let's see what's there for us inside the restaurant, and then after spending some half an hour we will resume our journey towards Kolkata. We have just left Kolaghat. From here I will go straight to home. Here I had some tea and some biscuits. From here my home distance is 68 km and the estimated time of arrival is 7:50 p.m. so it's around 1 hour 45-minute journey, but it will take, according to my practical experience, not less than 1.5 hours. So let's see how much time it takes for me to reach home. So here are two of my co-riders. In my right, that is Aditya on FZ25. In my left, in Mojo, is Ayun, and you can understand by exhaust note that Ayun is riding a Mojo. The exhaust note is extremely lovely. So this is the Kolaghat bridge. This is one of the famous roads that everybody has to pass by. Now I can tell that I have crossed Kolaghat completely. I think I have found Chandrajit's car. You can see in front of me there is Chandrajit's car. So I will now follow Chandrajit. Protati and Priyanka are as usual busy with my baby. They are doing some things here and there to keep my baby busy. It always feels lovely to get a family like this. Once again, I accept that I have actually got very good friends, sisters, family in form of these 4 ladies. My next trip onwards with the living lives, I think that I will have no problem, at least in handling my baby, because he is much more familiar with Protati, Priyanka, Tapia, Payal, all these ladies. So let's go. Oh my god, the signal has to become red right now. The car is gone, we were left behind, and now we are being further separated by this signal. This is extremely ridiculous, just annoying. And it's not day, it's night, so it becomes extremely difficult to find and follow the car. So let's see if I can find the car earlier. I am hopeful that I will find a car without any fuss and fuss. It must not travel further. Let's see, where is it? I have finally found the car. Now it's once again follow and follow. So from here I will take left. You can see Navanno and Howrah is directed towards left. From here I will take left. If I go straight, then I will reach Delhi. So the route towards Kolkata is exactly on left. And here I will tell you that here is a very big curve, a very big curve. I don't know if you can see in the map, but it's a complete circle. I love this circle. That is the reason I will not discontinue recording, rather I will continue the recording, and I want you to have the feel. So the enjoyment of wandering starts. Such a fantastic feeling, such a fantastic feeling. Now this road will take you straight towards Chhatragachi. After Chhatragachi I will cross Howrah, then second Hooghly bridge, and then I will move towards my home. But probably after crossing Chhatragachi I will take my baby with us, because from there Chandrajit will move to other direction. So let's see how far we have this company with Chandra and Sudeep and Brodoti and Priyanka and Chandra's brother-in-law. Here is the signboard, welcome to the city of joy, Kolkata. It means now we are under Kolkata jurisdiction. Now the time has come. Now Chandrajit will be departed and I have to take back my son. The journey was till this. So জেগে আছে না ঘুমাচ্ছে? ঘুমাচ্ছে? Here is my baby. He is
রঙ্গবতী টায়ার ফ্যান। রিপিট মোডে রঙ্গবতী চলছে, তবে গিয়ে কান্না বন্ধ। একবার রঙ্গবতী বন্ধ মানে কনস্ট্যান্ট ওখান থেকে কোলাঘাট থেকে, আর পিছনে পুরো শো চলছে। ওরি সোনাই আর তিনজনের মধ্যে কম্পিটিশন, কে আগে কান্না বন্ধ করাতে পারে।
রঙ্গবতীতে খুব ভালো নাচে ও।
নাচে মানে রঙ্গবতী বন্ধ আর কান্না শুরু।
তো মাথা টুপিটা পরাবে না? আগে পরে নিতে পারবে? The baby is wearing the monkey cap. It is a protective measurement against the cold and cough. তো চুলটা চুলগুলো ঠিক করে দাও। বোধহয় চুল, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
এবার কান্না জুড়েছে।
বাস ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। He is packed as before. চলো সবাই, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ এভরিবডি। চল আয়, থ্যাংক ইউ ওকে ম্যানেজ করার জন্য, থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই। চল আয়, হ্যাঁ দেখা হবে আবার।
আবার দেখা হবে, টাটা।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
প্রিয়াঙ্কা টাটা।
দাঁড়াও। থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই, থ্যাংক ইউ। নাইস রাইডিং উইথ ইউ। চন্দ্রজিৎ উইল লিভ। কোথায়?
দেবের বউ তো বদতি তো।
হ্যাঁ
দেব আছে নাকি?
না, ও সামনে আছে।
বললাম তো, আর আমি তোমার বুঝতে পারিনি।
হ্যাঁ চাপো। So now Chandrajit has already left. Once again I am with my old gang, me, my wife Sonali and my kid, and there is Oyon and Papia. Let me ask if they are willing to go. পরে আবার দেখা হবে। চল ভাই, আসলাম। পাপি আসিস একদিন, দুজনকে বললাম। ওকে, হ্যাঁ। Finally the see-off session is over. Now I am towards my home. It will take around 29 minutes as per the map, and total kilometer is 10, but I guess it will not take 29 minutes, but at least 20 minutes. So let's see how much time it takes.
You can see there is a toll tax in front of me. It is Vidyasagar Setu Toll Plaza, also known as Second Hooghly Bridge Toll Tax. I am passing through the specified lane marked for motorcycles only. Since no tax is levied on motorcycles, this lane remains congestion free. The bridge has police posting all the time because it is not only the important link to Kolkata, but also because this bridge holds the road that goes straight to Navarno building that houses the office of the Chief Minister of West Bengal. This bridge is situated over the Hooghly River linking Kolkata and Howrah. Since I am on this bridge right now, so I will share few information regarding this marvel of modern architecture which you may not know. I am sure you will be delighted to know the facts and will enjoy the video of fast riding amidst fast moving heavy traffic. This bridge has 3 lanes per side, in total 6 lanes. Pedestrians and cyclists are not allowed on this bridge. This bridge is 823 meter long and 35 meter wide. It was opened for public use on 10th October 1992. More than a lakh vehicle commute daily on this bridge. You can understand that by the density of the traffic even at late evening. This is India's longest cable-stayed bridge. Ex-Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi laid the foundation stone on 20th May 1972. The bridge ends here. I will take the right-bound road towards BTS crossing. Just for your information, if you take the left-bound road, then you will reach Hastings crossing. All the long-distance buses coming from out of Kolkata use this right-bound road to go to Esplanade, the bus terminus of Kolkata. From this crossing, I will turn right towards Alipur Zoo. If you go straight, you will reach BTS crossing. From there, you can go to almost anywhere in Kolkata, to name few: Airport, Victoria Memorial Hall, Park Street, Sialda Railway Station, Horse Race Course, etc. On my left hand side, there is one of the finest 5-star hotels across India, Taj Bengal, Kolkata. This is the state-of-the-art foot-over bridge for the visitors of Alipur Zoo. I am crossing National Library on my left. This is the largest library in India with a collection of more than 22 lakh books. I have provided some facts about the City of Joy, Kolkata. If you have liked the travel video, then share it. If still you have not subscribed to my channel, then do it now. Click on the notification icon and select all option to be notified regarding my latest videos. Remember, your subscription will motivate me to produce many more travel videos. If you have any place in your mind which you want me to make a travel video on, feel free to share that by putting your comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching till the end.